In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add FXOpen in Tradingview. To get started, open your web browser and head over to the Tradingview website. You can simply type the address into your browser's search bar and hit enter. Make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account so you can access all the features we're going to use. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and do that first, because you'll need an account to connect a broker like FXOpen. Once you're on the Tradingview homepage, look for the option called Supercharts or Chart on the main navigation. This is where you'll be doing your technical analysis and where broker connections are managed. Click on Supercharts and Tradingview will open up a full charting workspace in a new page or tab. When the chart loads, take a moment to let everything finish loading properly, especially if your internet is a bit slow. At the bottom of this charting window, you'll see several tabs. What you want to find is the tab labeled Trading Panel. This is the section that lets you connect different brokers directly inside Tradingview. Go ahead and click on Trading Panel. After you open the Trading Panel, you'll see a list of popular brokers that Tradingview shows by default. Sometimes FXOpen might not appear in the initial list, especially if there are only a few brokers visible. To make sure you see the full list of supported brokers, look for the option that says Show All Brokers and click on it. This expands the panel so you can see all available connections. Now that the full broker list is visible, you'll want to search specifically for FXOpen. There should be a search bar or a filter option in the trading panel. Click into that search bar and type FXOpen. As you type, Tradingview will narrow down the list and FXOpen should appear as one of the options. Once you see FXOpen in the list, click on it to start the connection process. Tradingview will open a small window or dialog asking you to connect your FXOpen account. At this point, you'll typically be prompted to log into your FXOpen account through a secure form. Follow the on-screen instructions, carefully enter your credentials, and confirm any permissions needed to link your account. After you've completed those steps, Tradingview should confirm that FXOpen is connected, and you'll be able to place trades and manage positions directly from your charts using your FXOpen